Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar,
This is Baitul Firdaus Islamic English channel. I am your lecturer speaker, Dr. Taj Firdousi. My dear brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May the peace, blessings and rahmat of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on you forever and ever and ever. There are many factors, many things that you need to know about Islam. To know Islam, there is only one thing that you have to understand. Kalima Shahada. What is that? There are two parts into that. The first half, La ilaha illallah. It's all about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. There is only one God, Allah. And there is no other deity, gods, goddesses, no other ilaha. Only one. And what is the next part? Muhammed, Rasulullah, Muhammad. In the first one, La ilaha illa Allah, illallah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala starts the Shahada with La. He clears all the defects. He clears all the bad elements. La. If there is a table and you are going to eat there and there are a lot of things lying over there, here and there, something like some waste material and all that, and it stinks, and can you keep your food plate there and eat? You will call the waiter and say that, hey, clean this table first, clean before I eat. I want to see that the table is clean. Otherwise, I can't stand this smell. If that man says, it's all the food the other man ate here, sir, this and that lying here and there, doesn't matter. For your plate, this place is enough. You keep your plate and eat, and you will throw the whole table down. And you will throw him out of the job also. Why? Because he is trying to convince you and saying that there are so many things lying here and there, the residuals of the person who ate first before lying. You will not accept. When you want to sit, you want to see that your food is served on a clean table. Therefore, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, when you want to pray, you have to pray. You should pray. First of all, clear the table with all those things which are stinking. Ilaha, ghairullah, everything, throw it off. Make the table clean. So he said, La, throw this out. No, that's not the God, that's not the goddess, that's not the deity, that's not the thing to be prayed. Things clear. And when everything is clear, why? Illallah, except Allah. The table is clean. Now it is your prestigious food that comes over there and your honored food. Clean table. Like that. When you remove all deities and gods and everything, and you say that the table is clear and only one God, that's Allah. And what about the second part? Muhammad. Who is Muhammad? The next part of Muhammad, Rasulullah. He has sent, the one who was sent by Allah. What for? To guide us, to tell us about Allah. Again, from Muhammad is connected to Allah. Allah has cleared everything, la ilaha. And Allah is there. And Muhammad, who is from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, gives the information about Allah. That's the one, how you have to do, what He wants from you, and what you don't have to do. So, one is the supreme power. The second one explains what that power wants from us. Two things. So, He is the supreme power and He is the leader. He is the speaker. He is the one who gives us the light to understand Him. So, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's information on Prophet Muhammad and Prophet Muhammad to the whole world. It has come to us. So, even in our prayer, we always say, Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad. Even our prayer, we say that, oh Allah, your darood and salam and blessings, greetings, salutations on Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Why? He is your teacher. He is the one who explains to you, who gives the idea who the Lord is, who the only one God is. So ladies and gentlemen, so to know more